students, good afternoon. Let's discuss shortcut questions on differentiation. Y is equal to square root of e power x plus square root of e power x plus square root of e power x plus so and so infinity. Then find dy by dx. This question I gave you homework in the previous lecture. So how to solve such questions? These type of questions are important for NDA, KCET or JEE point of view. So such questions to solve, there is one formula. Y is equal to square root of f of x plus square root of f of x plus square root of f of x plus so and so infinity. Then the formula is dy by dx is equal to f dash of x upon 2y minus 1. So according to this formula, you can answer this question within 1 minute, or we can say within 15 seconds. So dy by dx is equal to, you know this formula. Let us attempt the question. F of x is e power x. If you compare this, f of x is what? E power x. So f dash of x will be differentiation of f of x. This differentiation of e power x is e power x. So f dash of x is e power x. So substitute there. So you get e power x upon 2y minus 1. This is the answer. Very simple and easy. So such questions can be solved using this. How you got this formula? Let me discuss this. So let us take y is equal to square root of f of x plus 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 1 so infinity you have. Now to find this one, what I do here, y is equal to square root of f of x plus, if you observe this pattern from here, square root of f of x plus 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 so and so infinity. This is appears as the question itself. This one and this one it's same because it is going to infinity. So this part and this part is same. So I can replace this as y. Now squaring on both sides, I get y square is equal to f of x plus y. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So what I get here, y square differentiation is 2y dy by dx is equal to f of x differentiation is f dash of x plus y differentiation is dy by dx. Let's set this dy by dx this side. 2y dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to f dash of x. Let us take dy by dx from here. So what is left here? Y, and what will be left here? 1 is equal to f dash of x. Then what will be the dy by dx value? Here dy by dx is equal to, this is multiplying, setting the set divides. So f dash of x upon 2y minus 1. Hence we have proved this formula to square root of sin x plus square root of sin x plus square root of sin x plus so and so infinity. What is the answer for this? What is the answer? dy by dx is equal to what we can write? Sin x differentiation is what? Cos x upon 2y minus 1. That's what. So it becomes simple. Now if I write y is equal to square root of log x plus square root of log x plus square root of log x plus so and so infinity. What is the answer for this? dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x, right? Yes, sir. 1 upon x into 2y minus 1. So this is the answer for the question. So if you know the trick, then you can answer very quick. Understood what I said? Please note down. We have the question like this. Y is equal to this way, square root of log 2x plus log 2x plus 1 say. And to find dy by dx, what do you get answer? Log x differentiation is solved in this way. Okay, let's move on to the next shortcut. Let's see this next shortcut. Shortcut is y is equal to f of x to the power of f of x to the whole power f of x whole power, like that. It's going on infinity. What is dy by dx? See, about I told you this chapter have many shortcuts. I'll teach you afterwards, okay? And today I teach both concepts. So y is equal to f of x whole power f of x whole power f of x minus infinity. What is the value of dy by dx? For this, the answer is, remember this formula first. So there will be two types of options will be there. That's why I am giving two formulas for this question. Because two types of options you can find. That's why I am giving two formulas. One is dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to y square upon 1 minus log x. Y square upon 1 minus log y. Sorry. 1 by log y into f dash of x by fx. F dash of x upon fx. This is one formula. Okay, dy by dx is equal to y square upon 1 minus log y f dash of x by fx. But if some options, if not there in this process, there will be another way. It will be dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to y square upon 1 minus y log f of x. Log f of x into f dash of x upon f of x. This is the formula. So these are the formulas. Two formulas. Any options will be correct. See, how this formula can be same. So I am not deriving this. This is I am giving you two homework. You can try. Let us take this total is y. It means y is equal to f of x. This whole thing will become y. Means what I am saying here, y is equal to f of x whole power y. Means this is logarithm differentiation. You have learned logarithm differentiation. Logarithm differentiation. Applying log on both sides, differentiating. So that only will give you this answer. So I am not explaining this. I am giving the formula. If you forgot the formula, how to get the formula I am explaining. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to what? Y square upon 1 minus log y into f dash of x upon f of x. Or dy by dx is equal to y square upon 1 minus y log f of x into f dash of x by f of x. Okay, this is the formula. See, every chapter, integration, differentiation, 3D, vectors, straight lines, many chapters have shortcuts. Okay, after finishing your syllabus, I'll start shortcuts for competitive exams. Okay, let's solve the question. Y is equal to e power x whole power, e power x whole power, e power x so and so infinity. What is the value of this? Dy by dx. What is the dy by dx of this function? Y is equal to e power x whole power, e power x whole power, e power x so and so infinity. Then what is the value of dy by dx? Can you tell me the answer now? What is f of x? First see that. F of x is what? E power x. As per the formula, according to the first formula, what is there? Answer is what? Y square upon 1 minus log y into, what is the differentiation of f of x? F of x is e power x. E power x differentiation is e power x. E power x upon, what is f of x? E power x. So e power x cancel. What I got the answer? Y square upon 1 minus log y is the answer. Suppose this option is not there in the question. Suppose in options you did not find. Then this is the possibility to get. So according to this, what I can write here? Tell me. Dy by dx is equals to y square upon 1 minus y into log e power x. Right? F of x is log e power x into e power x differentiation is e power x upon e power x. E power x cancel. This is your answer. So this is a way to do the problems based on this. So these are the shortcut formulas. Please note down this. Please note. Understood? Yes. We'll discuss the exercise after this. Y is equal to sin x to the power of sin x to the power of sin x to the power of infinity. What is the answer? dy by dx is equal to, tell me. dy by dx is equal to, what is the answer? Y square upon, tell me. Y square upon 1 minus log y into f dash of x is what? Cos x. Sin x differentiate is what? Cos x. Cos x upon sin x. So the answer will be what? Y square upon 1 minus log y into cot x is the answer. One more formula is what? Another formula. dy by dx is equal to, what is the formula? Y square upon 1 minus y into log sin x. F of x is sin x. Into, same you get as what here? Cot x. F dash of x by f of x. So we use this formula, so it becomes simple and easy. Am I right? Let's move on to the next. 100 out of 100. Do the textbook 4 times. Every day 2 hours practice. Competitive exam you have to prepare, boards you have to prepare. 4 times total textbook solve it. If you not get 100 in mathematics, then you ask me. Okay. So next one more exam. Y is equal to m power n. Like you know that y is equal to f of x to the power of g of x. This format is there, like logarithm. Y is equal to f of x power g of x. Then you have y is equal to m power n. So this format when you have, the shortcut, this is important. The shortcut will be, shortcut formula, shortcut method or formula is y dash is equal to m power n by m into m dash plus n dash log m. This is the formula. If you remember this formula, any question can be solved out. Example I will explain. Example. It will be asked in NDA also. This type of questions will come in NDA also. Y is equal to sin x power x. KCT also they will ask. Cos x power tan x. Now I have to find this. Okay. So they may ask you individual, but I am taking like a combination of this. Y is equal to sin x power x plus cos x power tan x, and you want to differentiate this. What is the dy by dx? So what I get here, dy by dx is equal to, I write as dy by dx is equal to, this is m, this is n. Remember that. Sin x is m, x is n. So according to the formula, what I get here, sin x whole power x in bracket x upon sin x n dash. What is m here? Sin x. Sin x differentiation is what? Cos x plus n dash. N dash means x. X differentiation is what? 1 into log m. M is what here? Sin x. This is done. Over. Done. Okay. Plus, if I want to do for this also, cos x power tan x, what I write here? Cos x power tan x. I can write here tan x by cos x plus into m dash. M dash means what? Cos x differentiation. What I get here? Minus sin x. Minus sin x plus m dash means tan x differentiation secant square x. Okay. And into log m. M means what? Cos x. Cos x. This is done. Okay, this is the way to do it. So this is a shortcut for any question which are in the form of y is equal to m power n. Okay. this is the way to do the problems. Like for competitive exams only these are, not for all them. Okay, it is only for competitive exams. If y is equal to m power n, the formula I tell you, y is equal to m power n or y is equal to f of x power g of x, then y dash of x is equal to, I can write m power n, that is n by m dash plus n dash log m. This will be the answer. So if we applied this, we got the answer. Let's see one more question on this. So answer this question, same formula you can use this. Y is equal to x into x square minus 3 plus x minus 3 whole power x square. Now according to the formula, y dash is equal to m power n, that is x power x square minus 3, and you get n by m. N means what here? X square minus 3 upon m means what here? X. And differentiation of m. What is m here? X. X differentiation will be what? 1 plus n differentiation. N means what here? X square minus 3. X square minus 3 differentiation will be what? 2x. 2x minus 0. 3 differentiation is 0. And then you get as log m. M means what here? X. M means what here? X. So this is done. Like that we have done it. So same way you can do the second part, this part here. You can write as x minus 3 whole square, and I can write this is x square divided by x minus 3, and differentiation of what? Differentiation of m. M means x minus 3. Differentiation of x minus 3 is 1, and then plus then you have differentiation of x square. X square differentiation is what? 2x. And log, what is n here? M or n? N, m. M. So this is the answer. So only this is the way to do it. So I have shared in the group also questions. You want one more question? I'll give you a question, you can solve this. Y is equal to sin x whole power log x plus x power 1 by x. Please solve this question for homework. That is, do the homework. Do this question as homework. We are discussing about implicit function differentiation. Suppose if you have any function, implicit function, you want to differentiate that, dy by dx is equal to, we can write as minus of f dash of x by f dash of y, and in numerator y is constant, in denominator x is constant. For example, let us take one example for this. X cube, suppose you have like this, x cube plus y cube plus 4x cube y is equal to 0. You have to differentiate this one. You want to differentiate this implicit function. So if you want to differentiate this, it is easy only, direct also you can do it. It's not a difficult. But then if you want to find the shortcut method, we can write as dy by dx is equal to. But if you find any difficult large questions, then you can use this formula. Otherwise, it's better directly doing this. Okay. Instead of using the shortcut, directly if you do also you'll get it. Right? So if you want, I'll show you direct also. So f dash of x, what you'll do here? We differentiate x cube. Here is differentiate with respect to x. The meaning is to differentiate with respect to x, treat y as 0. So differentiate with respect to x, this one, what I get here? 3x square. Okay, 3x square plus y you have to treat as 0, that means constant. Y you have to treat constant, so 0. Plus y you have to treat as constant. What is 4x cube differentiation? 12x. So I'll get as 12xy divided by, and then denominator also, but you have to differentiate with respect to y. So if you get, what do you get? This is 0 plus 3y square plus, what I get here? 4. See, we are differentiate with respect to y here. Okay. So y differentiation is what? 1. And x cube is a constant. So what I am getting? 4x cube. So I am going to get here 4x cube. So this is the way to do it. So okay. This is what you get final answer is. The final answer is minus 3x square plus 12xy divided by 3y square plus 4x cube. This is the answer for dy by dx. So it is one shortcut way to do it. But even though you can do direct also and you can simplify. But that takes little calculation, some steps more. This takes easy. That's it. See here. Now we stop this shortcuts questions. We'll discuss after completing the chapter. Still more some shortcuts of this chapter I'll explain. And now we are discussing about exercise 5.7 question number 12 onwards. So according to here, the question number 5.7 question number 12. The question number 12. What is the question they given? Here, if y is equal to cos inverse x, find d2y by dx square or d square y by dx. d2y by dx square in terms of y alone. In terms of y alone. So you have to find in terms of y. Okay, now look at here. See, already I discussed about second derivative test. So here y is equal to you have. Now we do the little fast because the previous is the shortcuts. So I have little slow. Now y is equal to cos inverse x. Already I gave the formulas, right? So what is the differentiation of dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. So this is the formula. So dy by dx is equal to what I get? Dy by dx is equal to minus this square root. Square root means power 1 by 2. Yes. Square root means power 1 by 2. So if you take it up, what I get here? 1 minus x square to the power of minus half. This is what you get dy by dx. This is dy by dx. But we have to find what? d2y by dx square. Now we have to differentiate again with respect to x. If we differentiate, what I get here? dy by dx square is equal to minus. See, this one I am applying x power n formula. According to x power n formula, n into 1 minus x square to the power of n minus 1 formula according. And again we have to do the chain rule inside. So 1 minus x square is 1 differentiation is 0, minus x square differentiation is minus 2. So you are getting here minus 2x. Did you understand here? So 2 and 2 gets cancelled out. The minus into minus plus d2y by dx square, what I am getting? d2y by dx square is equal to minus half minus of 1 minus x square to the power of minus 3 by 2. Is that correct? So this is what you are going to get. So I can write d2y by dx square is equal to minus 1 minus, see, this I can write as 1 upon, I can write 1 minus x square to the power of plus 3 by 2. I got the answer, but it is given clearly in the question is y terms you have to express, y alone you have to express. So what we will do here, we take this concept, okay, this concept, and we will convert into y terms. Look at here clearly, just note down, I'll explain the steps. Please note down, I'll explain the steps. See this. Y is equal to cos inverse x can be written as inverse trigonometry. According to inverse trigonometry, cos inverse I can send this side. So what I get here, cos y is equal to x. So I got x is cos y. That can be replaced in this. So what I get here, d2y by dx square is equal to minus 1 upon 1 minus cos square y whole power 3 by 2 I get. So d2y by dx square is equal to minus 1 upon 1 minus cos square y can be written as what? Sin square y. So the square and square cancel out, square root cancel out. Sin square y whole power 3 by 2. This 2 cancel out. What I get here? Minus 1 upon sine y whole cube I get. So this is your answer. If still you want to write this d2y by dx square is equal to, I can write this as minus 1 upon sine square y into 1 upon sine y I can write. So 1 upon sine square y can be written as what? Right, you just write down on the, so see, this is only the answer. You can write this one as again, see, sine y you can write as cosecant, okay, cosecant y whole cube, no, reciprocal, no? Cosecant y whole cube. So you have x also into x, so you get here into minus x, here you get here into minus x, so here x place I can write as cos y, and here we can write as cos y. So now I can change this one. Listen here. Yeah. So here d2y by dx square is equal to, I can write as minus cos y upon sine y into 1 upon sine square y. Okay, sine cube y I write as sine square y. So sine y into sine square y. So d2y by dx square final answer is what? See, d2y by d2y upon dx square is equal to minus cot y. This will be cot y into cosecant square y. Cosecant square y. This is your final answer. Sorry for forgetting this x. Okay. You have your x. The x is carry on. So question number 13 in the exercise. If y is equal to, they given us if y is equal to 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x, then show that x square y2 plus x y1 plus y equal to 0. I informed you that whenever you have d power 1 y1 y dash 1 dy by dx, this is nothing but first derivative, first order derivative. d2 y2 y double dash d2y by dx square, these are called second derivative. These are second derivative. So whenever is there y2 there, you can think that is second derivative, y1 means first derivative. So now look at it. Now they given that y is equal to cos y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. This is the given. So dy by dx is nothing but y dash. Okay, dy by dx is nothing but what? Y dash. So y dash is equal to 3 into cos x differentiation minus sin log x. Because sin something is will become, cos something will become sin. Sin theta then will become cos. Now differentiation of log x, 1 by x divided by x. So this is the differentiation of that. Plus 4 into, what is the sin x differentiation? Cos x, cos log x. Cos log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So finally you got y dash of x is nothing but, y dash of x is taken LCM. I get, you don't take it, this is, you keep it as same. But for substitution only I am doing this. So I can write as minus 3 sin log x, minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x. We will substitute this in the given equation later. So now I am going to do double differentiation. So double differentiation, differentiating again with respect to x. So what happens, listen here carefully, please listen carefully. Now you get here 3 into, look at here, this is very important. This is u by v formula. Minus is there, I write minus 3 out, okay. And then u by v formula. U by v formula is what? V into u dash. So v is what? What is v here? X. V into u dash. What is u dash here? Sin x differentiation is what? Cos log x. And log x differentiation is by x. minus, next what you will get? Sine log x. I keep u as same. Now I differentiate b. Differentiation of x will be how much? 1. Okay, this is done. Is it understood? Upon what we get here? Upon x square. See here, this x and this x will be cancelled out. That's another point. So this I got only for the first part. So I have to do the second part. So second part I can add as plus 4 into u by v. Listen to me carefully again. I am explaining again. U by v. So according to u by v, what I write is, I keep v same. Differentiation of cos x is minus sine log x, and differentiation of log x is 1 by x minus I keep u same. So cos log x, and differentiation of x is how much? 1 upon what I get here? X square, b square. So this x and this x cancel. So finally y double 2 means y2 is what I am getting here. Y2 is equal to, I am getting y2 is equal to how much I got? Minus 3 cos log x. Okay, minus 3 cos log x minus into minus plus 3 sin log x plus 3 sin log x. Okay, this is by x square plus what I am going to get here? Tell me. Minus 4 sin log x, and here I am going to get minus 4 cos log x and whole divided by x square. So this is what I am getting. So y2 value will be finally x square. If I take the LCM, see, minus 3 cos log x minus 4 cos log x, that will give you minus 7 cos log x, and here plus 3 sin log x, and here minus 4 sin log x will give you minus sin log x. So here what happened? Y2 I got and Y1 I got. This Y1 and Y2 values, if I substitute in this and then if I cancel, I am going to get the answer 0. Okay, please note down. Here we are substituting the values in the given equation. So x square will cancel, x and x will cancel. See, I get as minus 7 cos log x minus sin log x minus 3 sin log x, and then you get plus 4 cos log x and plus 3 cos log x, and then you get plus 4 sin log x. So look at that. If you cancel this here, minus 3, see, minus 3 cos log x, where is minus here? Plus 4 plus 3 is plus 7. Plus 4 cos log x plus 3 cos log x is 7 cos log x, and minus 7 cos log x. This is totally cancelled out. And here minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 and plus 4. This is totally cancelled. You get the answer is 0. Hence proved. So this is the question. You have y. If y is equal to, they given that if y is equal to this, then you have to show this. So let's take the question fast. Listen to me carefully first. Listen here. Complete concentration is here. Don't look any other place. Look at here and try to understand. Once if you understand, then you know 80% you will be storing brain. Twice you do practice, it will be remember a lot. So understanding is important. First listen carefully. So dy by dx is, I get dy by dx is equal to, a is a constant, e power x, the differentiation is e power x, and differentiation of mx is what? M. X is 1, m is constant. Okay, plus d into, what is the differentiation of e power x? E power x. What is the differentiation of nx? N into 1. Okay, differentiation of x is 1. So what I get here, dy by dx is equal to am e to the power of mx plus dn e to the power of nx. This is the first point we got. We are going to do double differentiation. Listen carefully. d2y by dx square is equal to, what can we write? Here am is the constant, we keep saying, e to the power of mx. Differentiation of mx is what? M. That m into this m will give it a what? M square. Can I write direct step? Yes, sir. Can I write? Yes, sir. Okay, m square plus bn into e to the power of nx is e power nx. Nx differentiation is n. N will multiply. What I get here? N square. So d2y by dx square I got. Now what we do here, we substitute in this. So d2y by dx square is what? am square e to the power of mx, tell me fast, plus dn square e to the power of mx. This is dy by dx. Nx. Okay. Nx. Now minus m plus n into, what is dy by dx? am e to the power of x plus bn e to the power of mx. Okay, this is mx and this is nx. Okay, and plus mn into, what is y? A into e to the power of mx plus b into e to the power of nx. Is it clear? Yes, sir. So therefore, if this is equal to, can I write this? am square e power mx plus bn square e power nx. Look at here. I am going to do minus this, minus into this, minus into this. With m I am multiplying. If I multiply with m into m square. So minus am square e to the power of mx. And again minus m I multiply here. So minus bmn e to the power of nx. So with m over. Now I do with n. So this minus, plus into minus, here minus. Minus into this, tell me. Minus amn e to the power of fx. Okay. Again here it is minus into this minus, minus. Minus bn square e to the power of nx. Clear? Yes, sir. Now next plus. Now tell me, multiply this. amn e to the power of nx plus bmn e to the power of nx. Now just look at here. An square. See, an square e to the power of mx. An square e to the power of mx cancel. bn square e to the power of nx minus bn square e to the power of nx cancel. Minus bmn plus bmn e to the power of nx cancel. amn minus plus amn cancel. R is 0. Hence true. You have y is equal to 500 e to the power of 7x plus 600 e to the power of minus 7x. You have to do this. So let us take the question first. Y is equal to 500 e to the power of 7x plus 600 e to the power of 600 e to the power of minus 7x. We have to find d2y by dx square. So y is this. Let us find d2y dy by dx. What is dy by dx? See, 500 is a constant, keep saying. E to the power of x differentiation is e to the power of 7x into 7. Because 7x differentiation is 7. Okay, plus 600 into e to the power of minus 7x d by dx of, I am writing now step, into 7x. So d by dx of minus 7x you will get as what? Minus x. So I will write first time, but it is not required. Okay, you can write directly also e to the power of 7x, differentiation of this. So dy by dx is equal to, you get 500 into 7 e to the power of, sorry, 7x only, differentiation of 7x here, yeah. So here you get here 7 into e to the power of 7x, and here this minus into plus minus, 600 into e to the power of minus 7x into 7. This is you got dy by dx. Okay. Now what I do here, d2y by dx, I will find d2y. You can multiply this. You you can multiply, but I am not multiplying this. Reason is that I need to get 49, right? Yes, sir. So if I do again, I get 49. So that's why I am not multiplying. If you want to multiply, you can multiply. There is no wrong in this. So can I multiply or should I keep saying? Keep saying. So now differentiate. d2y by dx square is equal to 500 into 7 e to the power of 7x is 7x, and differentiation of 7x is what? 7 minus 600 into e to the power of minus 7x is e to the power of minus 7x. 7 into minus 7x differentiation is how much? Minus 7. Okay, this is minus 7. So what I get here? d2y by dx square. d2y by dx square is equal to, see here, 7 into 7, 49. So 500 into 49 e to the power of 7x. And here 7 into 7, 49, minus into minus plus. Plus 600 into e to the power of minus 7x into 49. So 49 take out common. So if I take 49 common, what I get here? d2y by dx square is equal to 49 take out common. I get 500 e to the power of 7x plus 600 e to the power of minus 7x. And this whole part is nothing but the question itself. So I can replace, that is y. So what I get here? d2y by dx square is equal to 49 into y is the answer. Let us discuss the question based on this. What is the given? Y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. We have to prove that d2y by dx square plus y equal to 0. Let's take the question. Y is equal to what? 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. What I get? dy by dx is equal to 5 will be same. Cos x differentiation minus sin x minus 3 into sin x differentiation is cos x. I get dy by dx is equal to minus of 5 sin x minus of 3 cos x. This is dy by dx. Differentiate again with respect to x. Then d2y by dx square equal to minus 5 sin x, and see, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Minus 5 will be constant, same as it is. Minus 3 constant, same as it is. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. So plus sin x you get. So this d2y by dx square and this y value, this both if you substitute in this, you are going to get 0. See this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled, 0 you get. Or you can do one more way is d2y by dx square is equal to, let us take minus common here. So 5 cos x minus 3 sin x and that. Then d2y by dx square is equal to minus of this total, again is the question. So d2y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. If I say minus by this side, plus y hence proof. So you can do one thing, you can substitute these values in that, or you can take the common. Like this you can solve the problem.